you guys how you guys doing on today. Y'all, today I'm going to be doing my daughter's hair. I just took it down from the last style and it is super thick, so we are going to definitely try to do this quick. I'm not quite sure exactly what I want to do yet, and she's quite sleepy, so like I said, hopefully we can figure this out together because I need some help, period. So yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna be using this BB oil moisturizer. I use this in her hair because this helps with hair growth. Her hair is super thick, super long, it's super curly, so it's like, yeah. And then I'm gonna take my brush through it because I don't ever want to brush her hair when it's dry or comb it when it's dry. That can cause a lot of breakage. Yeah. So we're just going to comb it out. Yeah, so trying to think of what I'm going to do. Got all my stuff. Alright. Let's put this back in the ponytail. Need that boo. Her edges are so curly that they just don't stay in with the rest of the hair. It's hard to get her. Okay, as you guys can see, I parted it. So sometimes I go in with this for her edges, or I go in with this for her edges. But to detangle, I use this. This is perfect to detangle with. So perfect to detangle with. Take my little brush. I did that edge. Alright. Her little birthday is Saturday, so she will be 2. The fact that she won't cooperate right now is not really helping the situation at all. Need her to stay still, but she won't, so there we go. 2, 3, 4. I secured the rubber band 4 times. Let's do the separate rubber bands. And then we'll put them back together. As you can see, I'm doing sections. All right. So yeah. then we're going to connect all 3 of these. Twist this one. And then I twist it into this one. I feel like I need to put a bow or something. Do not do it tight at all. Comb it out. I usually twist it, but the twists, they shrivel up a lot. So I just... Now she's seen herself. That's one braid done. Alright, so I'm going to add detangler. A detangler. I'm running low on this. I'm running so low on this. Like, seriously. Like I said, I comb it. I'm going to take the brush. And I will drop it too. Brush. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to get pot licking. Put this to the side. Let's see how that pot licking is decent. How's this ponytail? Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Okay. Alright, y'all. So for this part, in order for me to define her curls, instead of it looking like more so an afro, I usually, which I'm running low on, I take this. I think I have my other one too, but I'm going to see. I take each section, take my comb, and I'll let it, see it, it's like curly. This is the, and then I just let it go. And it's super wet, so it looks like it's white, but it's not. Alright. Now I'll go through the scalp with the black castor oil. And this is, I feel like this kind of relieves tension too. Like, I didn't do it tight, but just in case I did, this relieves some tension. I'll just go through the scalp with that. Alright everybody, this is the finished product. It's like a braid here. My hair is so silky, like it doesn't stay long. It doesn't stay long. My hair is so silky. Say hi, Mila.
Hi.
Look up. This is the curls. Curls. I just defined them. Yeah. That's the curls. Add the stuff that I added to this to make this look like this, to that, to make that look like that. So, yeah, this is the finished product. Say bye-bye.
See. Bye-bye.